guys, this is Blue Moon here. Today we are playing Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2. And right now I was Super Brains. I was this guy, as you can see. Not this guy. I'm sorry, I lied. But I'm going to be Super Brains, and this new cat vs. dino thing, it's not actually that new. It happened It just happened last couple months ago, I think. So we're probably gonna do 3 rounds of that. So yeah, like not every time, you know. Okay, so let's see how we do. And there's my cat Levi. Levi, can you please get out of the way? You're ruining it. Sorry. My cat really likes this chair. He likes this kind of fabric. Okay, let's get started. Okay. Seriously, I'm dead. Hopefully my team wins. Hopefully. Okay, yeah. We're just gonna skip to the part where I actually... Okay, now I'm starting this new round, which is actually second round, sadly. But I'm probably gonna win this, because last time Cats won, which is very sad. So, we're probably going to win this very goodly. Oh, no, not getting hurt. Yes, I sacrificed myself. And I just got hurt. Why am I saying that now? Who else here? I'm gonna get healed. And he just died, so get wrecked. Oh no, please don't. No, you're not gonna kill me. Yes, okay. Now, I'm gonna die. Yep, I'm gonna die pretty much here soon. Okay, let's see how I do. Let's see. Ooh, give me all this. Give me all this stuff. Yes, we won. We won. Okay. I was making sure Levi didn't block the screen. Put that in the comments below after Levi's blocking the screen. Just put that in the comments below. So, let's see. We only got 1 more round to go, and hopefully we'll make it. Because, yeah, we are going to make it, because we're bosses. We're complete total bosses. And here comes my sister out of our room, saying, what the heck is happening? Okay, Sissy, what the heck is happening? I haven't gotten 1 kill so far. Actually, wait. Yeah, I only got 3. Come on, kill. Get this kill. Dang it. I always miss. Because I'm a blocker. I'm a big fat ooh. Stay away. Oh, yeah, go off. Okay. Let's go. Yay! We win the round. No, stop. We win the round. We get 5 rainbow stars. You can be in the rainbow, but you can't go. Why can't I move? The sad thing is we can't jump because, well, that's not a privilege. Well, why am I even saying privilege? No, you aren't. You're not the master. You were never the master. Sorry. Okay. Okay, so my sissy's whining about filming. And no, you cannot film. It's already filming. Stop it, Cindy. Okay, okay, Cindy's filming. Just make sure to, don't do it crazy. Don't do it crazy. Okay, so 7, 6. Dang it, stick shop. Dang it. Stop, Cindy. Don't put
I'm not doing
like
anything.
that. And don't make this video silly like you did in the other ones.
Oh, that one was funny. Sorry, guys, we didn't post it, but I was like going in and out, in and out, in and out.
Well, bam, because I'm a boss. I'm a boss because I'm a boss. And I'm going to be a boss like I am a boss. I'm a boss, I'm a big city boss. Okay, yeah, I'm done. Okay, who wants to fight me, buttholes? Who wants to fight me? Okay, City. Oh, come on. You want to go? Let's go. You want to go? Dino. Oh, dino. Let's. No, he's getting me. Oh, come on. Heal. Thank you. I'm getting him. Shoot! Just shoot. Shoot them babies. I'm sorry. Okay. Stop making that squeaky noise. That squeaky noise is annoying. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, let's move the camera a little. There we go. That's good. The audience compares can't win around. Batman. Hopefully this will be it. Okay, guys, after this, we're gonna probably end it. Because, like, we have no more storage space. So, yeah. We're probably gonna, end it in the middle of the round. I'm sorry. We'll do another video. Don't worry. We'll do another video. So, I'm just gonna get about 3 more kills. That's only 3 kills. So, yeah. Sorry, guys. Tough lips. Oh, no, you don't. Gimme. Yeah. Okay, guys. We're probably gonna end it. Our thing is running out. So, bye, guys. Make sure to hit that lickety-like button in the face.